For over 40 years, Voyager 1 has been on an extraordinary journey, traveling farther than any other human-made object in history. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1's primary mission was to study the outer planets of our solar system, including Jupiter and Saturn. But since completing its primary objectives in the early 1980s, the probe has continued its mission, venturing into interstellar space, far beyond the influence of our Sun. Now, more than 4 decades after its launch, Voyager 1 has made a remarkable discovery that has left scientists around the world astounded. What's even more surprising is that this discovery isn't coming from a nearby planet or distant galaxy, but from an unexpected source, a mysterious buzzing sound coming from deep in the vastness of space. This puzzling discovery has reignited scientific curiosity and sent shockwaves through the global space community. The signal detected by Voyager 1 has raised more questions than answers, and despite the impressive tools and technologies that scientists have at their disposal, they are still struggling to understand what exactly this sound is. What could this buzzing be? Could it be a previously unknown form of matter, a signal from an alien civilization, or even a quantum phenomenon that we have yet to fully comprehend? The fact that Voyager 1 can measure the signal, but scientists cannot yet explain it, is both exciting and frustrating at the same time. The hum was first detected by a young student named Stella Cooch, who was working with a team at Cornell University. While studying the data transmitted by Voyager 1's plasma wave system, which is designed to measure the movement of electrons in the interstellar medium, Cooch and her team noticed something strange. They discovered that, despite the seemingly quiet nature of space, there was a repetitive, faint buzzing sound coming from the spacecraft's instruments, originating from outside our solar system. The signal was subtle enough to go unnoticed by most, but its regularity suggested that it could be more than just random noise. With the help of specialized computer programs, Cooch and her team were able to isolate the signal from the rest of the data, revealing a consistent, nearly rhythmic hum. As you might expect, scientists around the world were intrigued by this strange discovery. The immediate question that arose was, what could be causing this signal? There are many possibilities, each more exciting than the last. One hypothesis is that the hum could be a form of interstellar wind interacting with Voyager 1. Interstellar wind, as it turns out, is a real phenomenon. It's a gentle breeze of charged particles, mostly electrons and protons, flowing through the space between stars. It's not something we can feel on Earth, of course, but it's there, moving through the galaxy at high speeds. Some scientists suggest that this interstellar wind could be interacting with the remnants of the solar wind, which is a stream of charged particles that flows out from our Sun. This interaction could create vibrations that Voyager 1 detects as a buzzing or humming sound. The idea that space is not truly empty, but instead filled with particles, energy, and subtle forces, is a revelation. We tend to imagine the void between stars and galaxies as completely silent and barren. However, this discovery challenges that assumption. Space is anything but empty. It's filled with invisible, dynamic forces that we've only just begun to measure and understand. The strange buzzing sound could be the first evidence of these interactions being detected in a way that we can actually perceive, even from over 22 billion kilometers away. Another theory is that the sound might be caused by magnetic resonances. Voyager 1 is equipped with a variety of instruments designed to measure the electromagnetic environment in space. Some scientists believe that the buzzing could be the result of magnetic interactions between the spacecraft and objects in interstellar space. This could involve charged particles, like micrometeorites, that frequently collide with the spacecraft and generate tiny vibrations. These vibrations could be transmitted through the spacecraft, which in turn sends them back to Earth as measurable signals. This could explain why the buzzing is so faint, but still detectable by the spacecraft's sensitive instruments. It could also suggest that the interstellar environment is far more complex than we originally thought. Yet another possibility is that the signal could be linked to something even more mysterious, something that challenges our very understanding of the universe itself. Could the buzzing be a remnant of an ancient, long-gone supernova? A supernova is a powerful stellar explosion, one of the most violent events in the universe. When a star explodes in a supernova, it sends shockwaves of energy and particles rippling outward through space. These remnants can travel across vast distances, lingering in the cosmic environment for millions of years. It's possible that Voyager 1 is picking up traces of these shockwaves, reverberating through the interstellar medium. If this is the case, the buzzing could be an echo from the past, a faint signal from an event that occurred long before our solar system even existed. The idea that Voyager 1 could be detecting a cosmic echo from the past is both awe-inspiring and humbling. It reminds us that the universe is filled with hidden histories, events that continue to influence the present even long after they have passed. This discovery is more than just a scientific curiosity, it could have profound implications for our understanding of the universe. If the buzzing is indeed related to supernova remnants, it could provide valuable insights into the way energy and particles travel through space. Supernovae are thought to play a crucial role in shaping the galaxy by spreading elements throughout the universe, which are later incorporated into new stars and planets. Understanding the remnants of these explosions could help us learn more about the processes that drive the evolution of galaxies, stars, and planetary systems. Yet, there's a tantalizing possibility that has caught the attention of both scientists and science fiction enthusiasts alike. Could the buzzing be evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence? Some scientists speculate that the hum could be a signal from an alien civilization, one that is far more advanced than our own. Could Voyager 1 be the first human-made object to detect a signal from an alien race? It's a captivating thought, and while there's no concrete evidence to support this idea, the possibility is enough to excite our imaginations. If this hum were the result of alien technology, it would represent a profound moment in human history, a signal that we are not alone in the universe. The idea of extraterrestrial technology is, of course, speculative, and it's important to approach such claims with caution. However, the discovery of a strange, repetitive signal from such a distant and isolated location is something that demands further investigation. Some researchers even suggest that the buzzing could be a form of communication, like a cosmic version of a radio signal, or perhaps a kind of radar system designed to detect objects in space. While there is no official confirmation of this theory, the mere suggestion is enough to spark the imagination and fuel the ongoing debate about the possibility of life beyond Earth. Another fascinating possibility is that the signal might be connected to quantum phenomena. At the subatomic level, the universe is a strange and mysterious place. Quantum fluctuations, tiny, spontaneous changes in the energy levels of particles, are constantly occurring throughout space. These fluctuations create brief bursts of energy, causing particles and antiparticles to appear and disappear in an instant. Some scientists speculate that these quantum fluctuations could be responsible for the buzzing sound detected by Voyager 1. If these fluctuations are amplified over vast distances, they might generate faint vibrations that could be detected by the spacecraft's instruments. This idea touches on the cutting edge of quantum physics, and while it remains highly speculative, it's a fascinating possibility. The concept of quantum phenomena is closely related to the idea of hidden dimensions. In string theory, one of the most promising candidates for a theory of everything, it is hypothesized that our universe is made up of more than the 4 dimensions we experience, 3 spatial dimensions and time. String theory suggests that there could be additional, hidden dimensions beyond our current understanding. Could it be that these hidden dimensions occasionally interact with our own, causing measurable effects in the fabric of space-time? If this were the case, it could explain the mysterious buzzing sound detected by Voyager 1. Energy fluctuations from hidden dimensions could ripple through the interstellar medium, creating the vibrations that the spacecraft has detected. If Voyager 1 is, in fact, picking up signals from hidden dimensions or parallel universes, it would be one of the most groundbreaking discoveries in the history of physics. The very idea that there could be portals to other realities, dimensions that occasionally leak into our own, is both mind-boggling and exhilarating. While this idea is highly speculative and far from being proven, it underscores the mysterious and unfathomable nature of the universe. The buzzing could be a clue, just a tiny, fleeting indication, that there is much more to reality than we can currently comprehend. Of course, the official scientific consensus remains cautious. Many researchers believe that the most likely explanation for the buzzing is simply an interaction between the solar wind and the interstellar medium. As Voyager 1 crosses the boundary of the solar system and enters interstellar space, it encounters an entirely new environment, one that is far more complex and dynamic than what we experience within the heliosphere. The interstellar wind, magnetic fields, and plasma all interact in ways that we're only beginning to understand. It's possible that the humming sound is simply a byproduct of these interactions, a natural consequence of Voyager 1's passage through this uncharted territory. Voyager 1's journey into interstellar space is a remarkable achievement in itself. It was never meant to travel beyond the planets of our solar system, yet here it is, crossing the boundary into the vast unknown. On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 officially crossed the boundary of the heliosphere, the bubble of charged particles and magnetic fields that surrounds our solar system. This moment marked the first time that any human-made object had ventured into interstellar space, far beyond the influence of the Sun. The discovery of the buzzing sound only adds to the mystery and excitement of Voyager 1's incredible journey. As the probe travels farther into interstellar space, it continues to provide invaluable data about the environment beyond our solar system. The fact that Voyager 1 is still functioning after so many years is a testament to the brilliance of the engineers who designed it. Despite being more than 22 billion kilometers from Earth, Voyager 1 continues to send back valuable information, including data about the interstellar medium and the radiation environment in space. Every piece of data it transmits is a treasure trove of information, helping scientists to understand the true nature of space and the forces that govern it. The fact that Voyager 1 is still operating after more than 4 decades in space is a miracle in itself. The spacecraft was never intended to last this long, and it's a testament to the durability of its design. NASA engineers have worked tirelessly over the years to ensure that the spacecraft continues to function, even as it travels farther from Earth and faces increasingly harsh conditions. The mission was nearly cut short due to budgetary constraints, but thanks to the dedication of the scientists and engineers involved, Voyager 1 has continued to exceed expectations. Even when the spacecraft experienced a failure in 2021, engineers managed to troubleshoot the issue, ensuring that the mission could continue. Now, as we look to the future, the excitement surrounding Voyager 1's discovery of the mysterious buzzing sound is just beginning. What does it mean? Could it be a clue to the existence of extraterrestrial life? Could it be a new kind of cosmic phenomenon, one that we've never seen before? The possibilities are endless, and as Voyager 1 continues to travel farther from Earth, there's no telling what other discoveries it might make. One thing is for certain, the mystery of the buzzing sound is far from solved, and the adventure of Voyager 1 is far from over. This remarkable spacecraft, which has already exceeded all expectations, continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge and expand our understanding of the universe. And as we wait for the next piece of data to arrive from the farthest reaches of space, we can only marvel at the wonder and excitement that this mission has brought to our lives.